Hello everyone, Halal Code here. Today we're going to be coding a memory matching game on Roblox. Here's a quick preview of what it's going to look like. And yeah, so stay tuned to see the ending result and how it's made relatively easily. Alright, so first I started off by adding squares to the workspace. I added 16 because that's how much cards there is in the game. Then I added some UI on top of the squares in order to display the number of which card each card is. All right, next, let's just say I started off, thinking about how I should code this, and then I was like, Chat GPT is pretty useful. Okay, so the first thing that I had to code was getting the cards inside of a list, it being 16 cards, and then I had to code next a function to shuffle up the cards so the matches aren't right next to each other. All right, so now that we have the cards shuffled and we can flip them over and we can see like what the numbers are, as you can see, we have a problem with the rotation of like the squares if you like double click too fast. So we need to add cooldown. All right, so now there's a problem where, let me show you. So when you click, it goes back right after, a very short amount of time. But if you like double click, it will not flip over perfectly because it's multiplying by the thing that it already is instead of just setting it to a like fixed amount. So like if I click it while it's already moving, it just adds to it and then it's like slanted basically. So to fix that, I need to not only add a cooldown for like when it's revealed or not, also making it so you can't click it once you got a match, and then basically set this to a fixed amount. So yeah, let me just do that. All right, I just edited the code really quickly. So basically what I did is I added a reveal time here. I set it to 1 second, so show for like, 1 second. And then I said, if it's not revealed, then basically set it to true, reveal it, and then make it flip back over, and it'll set it to false. So that, and I still multiplied it, but since it's waiting and it won't let you click again, it shouldn't like mess up, see? Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong. But wait, what? These are matches. Why are they right next to each other? Hold up. Well, at least the other ones are not. Oh, these ones are, but it's random, so if it's next to each other, it's next to each other, hey. Anyways, let me fix that. All right, now it's working. Seriously, this time, see, I'm clicking. But so basically, I just had to add the wait time for when it flips back over, so that it doesn't basically rerun this before it's finished flipping it back over. And then it would mess up like that. So now it's doing like that. As you can see, kind of looks satisfying. But yeah, now what do I need to do now? Let me hold up. Let me think. Alrighty, so for this video, I've in under 100 lines of code, I have basically the basic mechanics, and obviously, the code could be way better than this. I'm not the best, but I'm trying. So, alhamdulillah. Basically, just to go over it very quickly, we have a list of cards. The amount of cards in the game is 16 in total, and the reveal time is just the amount of time it shows that flip side for, which is 1.25 seconds, so less than 2 seconds. And then cooldown 0.75, debounce false. This is just setting the camera angle when you play. This is let me see, creating the cards, and it's giving it a match ID for um uh, basically math.floor. I is going to be the number, starts at 1, goes up to 16, divided by 2 adds 1, the floor rounds. Basically, I use ChatGPT for this because math isn't my favorite subject, but basically what this does is it makes it so every card has a match. That's the simplest way I'll put it. Revealed, false, matched, false. Those are the true and false variables, Boolean. This function shuffles the list after we have created it, and then we call that function to shuffle, and then check for matches. That pretty much will check if there's two cards that are a match, and if it is, it'll make it so that it sets the variables needed to keep those cards up, such as matched and revealed. And here, this is just, we're creating the UI that shows the number of which card it is, the button to clicking on it. And when we click on it, we're making sure it's not spam. You can't spam click it with this, and this here. And then we're basically using tween service to like kind of animate the card flipping over. And then once it's clicked, we check if there's matches. If there is no match, then we will wait the time until it flips over. If there's still no match, because you could have clicked again in that time period, if there's still no match, then it'll flip the card back over. Yep, that's basically it. Yeah. So yeah, next I want to do UI. Maybe make it look a little bit more prettier, and yeah, make it look a little bit more prettier. UI, and yeah, maybe some sound effects. So yep. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, essentially. See. I can code a little bit, and ChatGPT. Wait, I was like, wait, what was I not clicking? ChatGPT is a help for sure, though. But yeah.